Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of HTTP Custom VPN, a powerful and versatile tool that lets you customize your VPN experience. We'll walk you through setting up the app and exploring its many protocols to help you stay secure and private online. Section 1. Getting started with HTTP Custom VPN 1. Download the app, open the Play Store on your Android device and search for HTTP Custom VPN. Download and install the app. Two, launch the app. Once the app is installed, launch it. You'll be greeted by the HTTP Custom VPN home screen. Section 2. Creating your VPN servers 1. Access UDP Custom. Open your web browser and search for UDP Custom. Visit the official UDP Custom website. 2. Choose your protocol. On the UDP Custom website, you'll find options to create servers for various protocols, including UDP, known for its speed, ideal for online gaming and streaming. Slow DNS offers a more secure way to browse the internet. V2Ray, known for its speed and security. Siphon provides a secure and reliable connection for various internet activities. SSL creates a secure tunnel for your traffic, especially useful in public Wi-Fi environments. OpenVPN, a well-established and reliable VPN protocol. Section 3. Connecting with UDP Custom 1. Open the app menu. In the HTTP Custom VPN app, tap the menu icon, often 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Then select Premium DP. 2. Choose UDP Custom Servers. From the submenu, choose UDP Custom Servers. 3. Create your UDP account. Select a server location, fill out the account form, and click Create Account. Copy server details. Carefully copy the server details: IP address, username, and password. 5. Connect to UDP. Return to the app, check the UDP custom box, and paste the server details you just copied. Tap Connect to initiate the VPN connection. Section 4. Using Slow DNS 1. Enable Slow DNS. In the HTTP Custom VPN app, check the box to enable Slow DNS. 2. Create a Slow DNS server. On the UDP Custom website, select Slow DNS Servers. Choose a location, fill out the form, and click Create. Three. Copy server details. Copy the server details: IP address, username, port, and password. From the UDP Custom website, configure Slow DNS settings. Return to the HTTP Custom app. Tap the plugin icon, select Slow DNS Settings, and enter the name server and public key. Section 5. Setting up V2Ray with Slow DNS 1. Create a V2Ray server. On the UDP Custom website, select V2Ray Slow DNS Servers. Choose a location, fill out the form, and click Create. 2. Copy server details. Copy the server details from the website. 3. Configure V2Ray and Slow DNS. Return to the app. Check both the V2Ray and Slow DNS boxes. Enter V2Ray settings. Tap the plugin icon, select V2Ray settings, and paste the server details. Enter Slow DNS settings. Tap Slow DNS Settings and enter the name server and public key. 6. Connect. Click Save and then tap Connect to start the VPN connection using V2Ray with Slow DNS. Section 6. Connecting with Siphon 1. Create a Siphon server. On the UDP Custom website, select Siphon Servers. Choose a location and click Create Siphon Server. 2. Copy Siphon server key. Copy the Siphon server key from the UDP custom website. 3. Enable Siphon. Return to the app, check the Siphon box. Configure Siphon settings. Tap the plugin icon, select Siphon settings. Choose the protocol and region and paste the Siphon server key. 5. Connect. Tap Save and then tap Connect to start the VPN connection. Section 7. Securing your connection with SSL 1. Create an SSL server. On the UDP custom website, select SSH servers and then SSH tunnel server. Fill out the form and click Create Server. 2. Copy SSL server details. Copy the details of the newly created SSL server. 3. Enable SSL. Return to the app. Check the SSL box. 4. Enter SSL details. Enter the server details you copied. Configure SNI settings. Tap the menu icon, select SNI settings, and enter a valid SNI server name indication. An SNI helps ensure your VPN connection connects to the correct server. 6. Connect. Click Save, and then tap Connect to establish a secure connection using SSL. Section 8. Using OpenVPN 1. Create an OpenVPN server. On the UDP custom website, select SSH servers and then OpenVPN. Fill out the account form and create the server. Two. Download the configuration file. Download the OpenVPN configuration file. You'll have options for TCP, UDP, or SSL connections. 3. Import the configuration file. Return to the HTTP Custom VPN app. Tap the menu icon, select VPN settings. Tap the plus icon to add a new VPN configuration, and then import the OpenVPN configuration file you just downloaded. 4. Connect. Tap Connect to initiate the OpenVPN connection. I join our community. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.